Hi traders, what do you think is going to happen in this trade? So here we have on the cable on the 1 hour and here on the daily, it has gone through its upper stretch. It has retraced. How do you think we should approach this trade? What are the trade projections? What are the bar projections that are going to happen? All this we're going to discuss in this video. Hi traders, welcome to our live trading session video and thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Tim Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this chart over here. Let's go through this very quickly on the cable. Daily chart, what we have is an uptrend at the moment and we have 4 consecutive upper buy bars.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Is the open equity less or high? In fact, it is diminishing in this bottom to top move. So when we take this trade over here, we'll take it with caution on the 1 hour time frame. The bar that we are looking at is this bar that is forming at the moment. As I've explained in my previous videos, we are looking to trade the range. The ATR of yesterday was 72, so we're taking about 80% of that, which is about 56. And if you look at this and if you read over here, the bar range is about 43 pips over here. Okay, so that's what we are looking at. And when do we enter? When we look at the 1 hour time frame towards the upside, because it's taken the upper stretch line as of now. So what we will be looking at, you see traders, you have to bar project. All right, now what we do is there's 2 ways of taking it. Either you can take it as a breakout of this high that is made for today on the 1 hour time frame, with your stop loss being at the low over here. Okay, the problem of that is if the next bars, even if this bar or the next few 1 hour bars did this, okay, it went up all the way, triggered you in and came back down, and there's a close over there. If that happens, what then you are saying is that
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
your trade risk is quite high, because from there to there is about 30 pips that you're losing out, that might eat up into a lot of your profits. Okay, so what do we do to cover for that? Okay, whereas on the other hand, you guys can also argue that, oh Thiru, but hang on a minute, it can also do this as well. Yes, but do remember, as traders, we always look at the professional traders, we always look at the downside to cover the downside. So what do? We look for a pattern recognition that will also reduce our risk as well. So what we are looking for is actually what we call a continuation primary. So where the next bar will take out the high of this bar, but doesn't take out the high of this high yet. Okay, once we have that, then we will put an entry over there and then a stop loss for the low of the continuation primary. Okay, that's what we will do. Now, so we will wait and see as the hours go by what kind of trade, what kind of price we get, price action we get. On the other hand, the other bar projection that we can have is this bar carries on further down and takes out the opposite stretch line, and then we will have an opposite stretch at that moment, and we can then take the trade at a more aggressive point, okay, with aggressive trading stop loss. So I'll pause the video over here and see how this trade progresses in the next few hours, and I'll show you how we will take this and move this trade forward. Okay, as you can see, traders, now the trade has progressed, and what we've now have had, you see, we had a continuation primary. We did put an entry and a stop loss over here, but then the trade didn't trigger us and it went further down. So now we've cancelled the order, and remember, according to our bar projections, we said it could do an opposite stretch, and this is what we have right now. We have that bar break through the lower stretch line and has now come back further down but closed further up. Okay, what we now do, according to our rules and our plan, we now go for a short of the low of that bar and for a stop loss for the high of that bar. Okay, target is quite short. We'll just take 80%, 0.8 ATR. Remember, never get fixated on expected reward to risk ratio, only look at the actual reward to risk ratio of your trading system. Okay, so this is what we have as of now. So we'll see how this trade plays out to be towards fulfilling our range. Of course, if you got any doubts about any of the terminologies used here, I highly recommend you all to watch Trader Starter Pack, free 5-part video series that we have done. We have put 15 years of research into it, beginner and advanced material in there. I highly encourage you guys to look into that. Alright, I'll pause the video over here. So let's see how the trade carries on. Okay, traders, as you can see over here, the trade has progressed. We had entered here, stop loss over there, and it hit our target, and you can see over here that it's hit our target over here, and we've just got about £70 profit on this small trade over here, and that is what it is. I mean, for this month so far, you can see the last trade over here, we did take a loss of 80 quid. Now regain back that loss, a little bit down, almost near break even for the month. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So we just go on it patiently and consistently. What we are showing over here is just examples on how we look at the markets, how we do it professionally and consistently as well. Okay, another thing you can also take away from this entire thing is know your bar projections, what is meant to happen. Remember, we in the beginning we bar projected it, what could happen, what to do if it does go past this stretch line, or what to do if it does go above this bar, which is a continuation primary pattern. So you need to know all of that even before it happens so that you're well prepared. The other thing is consistent execution and patience, and remember that we are doing this all on just only one instrument, just to show you an example on how we look at the markets using multi-time frame correlations as well, and how a bar forms. Alright, of course, as I said, go and look at the Trader Starter Pack if you haven't seen it yet. Really good material that we have condensed into it, and also look at our live trading video series where we teach you a lot of this good content in real time through real trading as well. We've got live trading video series that you can definitely learn from and gain from as well. Alright traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.